everybody, my name is Blue Hair Dave, and why am I standing here with all these badges on and conspicuously showing this award in the background while I'm sitting in my backyard? Because YouTube and Google said I've only got about 10 seconds to get your attention, and I've been a digital marketer for over 13 years, and that's why I'm wearing all these. These are badges of conferences I've either spoken at, been a presenter, attended over the years. I've actually got a bunch of other ones in my closet, but I figured I'd show you exactly how long I've been doing this and how I know what I'm doing and why do I have this video on, because I want to show you how to do digital marketing the same exact way that I have been doing it for 13 years, and that's what got me this 2 Comma Club award from ClickFunnels. So go ahead and click the link, and I'm going to show you for free of exactly how I do what I do. And I basically do affiliate marketing, and I mix in some email with that. And my students have had great success. There's no catch here. There's nothing else going on. I just want you to watch my videos and my tutorials, and if you like what you do, maybe you'll try and reproduce my results, and that's what I'm looking for. So go ahead and click that link, and I will send you free tutorials, and really it's just kind of an honest approach. I want you on my newsletter so that I can teach you stuff about digital marketing, and that is it. For what I do, I really love doing what I do, okay? And I love sharing it with people, and that's why I'm willing to put all these things on me and stand back here with a phone or a selfie stick and do a commercial for you. So if you're sick of seeing Lamborghinis and all that kind of stuff, just you want to hear something that's actually sincere and the real deal, well, that's me, okay? I just want to show you how I've been doing what I do with digital marketing. You can learn about how a lot of my students are having a ton of success. Hear testimonials from them, and just see tips and tutorials. I'm not going to bang your email, your inbox a couple times a day. I'd probably send once or twice, maybe 3 times a week with different tutorials. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do whatever you want. There's a bunch of meetings to contact me on, but that's all I'm asking for. And hopefully you can have the same kind of. I didn't even clean my backyard. Look at this. I got Matt sitting here hanging out. So if you click the link, you'll be able to see exactly. I've got a 60 minutes of success video where it's basically 60 minutes. It's condensed version of showing you exactly what I do step by step. Okay, so you can sign up for that, and that's free. So go ahead, click the link, and sign up, and maybe we'll have a little party in my backyard here, and we'll talk marketing. But either way, I hope to see you at some of the conventions, and you guys can get a couple of these things out, because digital marketing, the whole industry is just really fun. It's a really amazing time, and I hope you can participate in it with me and maybe get yourself a 2 Comma Club award. So it's on its swing. It's just I keep it out here. That's why it's out here. So go ahead, click the link. I'm Blue Hair Dave signing out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.